Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna give a little bit of a tutorial on how to make my thumbnail.
Come back, be with me.
So actually I use PixelLab in making my thumbnails. So how to do that? Of course, the first thing you have to do is you need to download the application PixelLab. All right, so in my case, I already downloaded this application on my phone. So I have it here, PixelLab. This is the logo of PixelLab. All right, so that's how it looks like. Now, how to start? Well, the first thing you have to do is you just need to click the three little dots here and you need to set the image size into a YouTube thumbnail. And that's it. Click that one. And then you just click OK. That's it. So now you are ready to add some photos to start making your thumbnail. The size is already set. So again, you click the three little dots and use image from gallery. All right, so you see you have many photos here which you would like to use. So you just need to choose in your gallery. So for example, in my case, I'm going to choose, for example, this photo. All right, so you see that is already set. The size is already set, which is a YouTube thumbnail size. So I just have to click, or it depends on you which angle you would like to focus. So for example, in my case, I would like to focus on this angle and I just click yes or check. All right. Then after that, as you can see here, actually new text always appears in this rectangle area. But if you want to remove that, you just need to click the erase button. Okay. But if you want to add a text, you just need to click the plus sign here and you add the text. But there's already here new text, so you just need to click the pencil. If you see this symbol, new text, it means it is ready for you to write whatever text you want to have on your thumbnail. So you just need to click the pencil sign and then click it one more time and start writing. So for example, I say this one. Okay, so I wrote the word pretty. All right, so you see, we have here the word pretty on the photo. But if you want to change the size, the color, and the font size or font style or anything you would like to change on the text, you can just click anything here. It's up to you, but in my case, I usually use only this letter A to change the size, the color, and the font style. So I usually just use few things, but you can explore. Actually, there are a lot of features in this PixelLab. So for me, I change the size first. So if you want it big, you can do like that. If you want it small, you do like that. So for example, I would like to have this text. So click check. That's it. And after that, you can also change the color. So for example, in my case, I would like to have, for example, a yellow color. Okay, where's yellow? Yellow is here, for example. That's it. So you click yes. So after that, you can also, in my case, I usually change the font style into chunk 5. This is the font style that I always use. All right, you see the font style has changed. And I usually put stroke. You can change the color of the stroke or the shadow, even inner shadow of your text. So usually I put stroke, which is actually white. I usually use white to contrast with the dark color. And that's it. So you can see here, there is a stroke of white. And I also put shadow. My shadow, for example, is usually pink. That's my favorite color. Okay, and then I also put inner shadow. My inner shadow is usually white, just to make it more attractive and clear. I mean, the text on your thumbnail will become clear for the viewers to see easily. Okay, that's it. So now your text is ready. But if you want to change your text into 3D text, you can also press 3D. And then just click that one, enable. And I usually use the perspective. That's it. Okay. And if you want to move into different directions, if you want to move your text in different directions, you can just rotate 3D. Okay, so you can do like that, or like that, or like that. So I guess that's good enough like that. And you can also do on sideways, for example. Okay, I do like that for in my case, for example. Okay, that's it. So now your thumbnail is ready. But if you want to add another photo on your thumbnail, you can also do so. So again, every time you want to add something, you just need to click the plus sign and choose what you want to add. Okay? So if you want to add a date or a sticker or shapes or photos from gallery or drawing. So usually in my case, I add, for example, photos from my gallery. So I add this one, for example. So you just need to click the size that you want to focus, or the photo, part of the photo that you want to focus. For example, this one. So I have it there, and you see it's automatically added on my thumbnail. So for example, I'll make it small and I put it here. That's it. So you see, the thumbnail is ready. In this one, I'll just delete this. I don't want the date. But if you want to add a date, you can also do so. You see, the date is here because you added date here. But in my case, I won't put the date, so I'll just remove that. Okay, so that's it. Now your thumbnail is ready. Okay, so after you finish, or after, if you think your thumbnail is enough and it's ready for using, or it's ready for use, then you can just save it. Click that sign and save as image, and then save to gallery. That's it. So now it's finished. Now, how to use the thumbnail that we have made? So simple, guys. You just need to go to your YT studio or the YouTube studio or creator studio, and then you check all your videos. Okay, you choose the videos that you would like to change, or you choose the videos which has the thumbnail that you would like to change. For example, okay, let's say for example this one. Okay, let me change. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so if you want to change the thumbnail of your video, you just need to click this pencil sign. Okay, so after you click the pencil sign, you can see this here on top of your thumbnail. It says edit thumbnail. So of course you click that because you want to change the thumbnail, you want to edit, or you want to add a thumbnail. So you click that and find the thumbnail that you want to use. So actually there are different suggestions here. They are automatically there because they are suggestions for you to use. But with the thumbnails that we made, we can find it here, custom thumbnail. So you can see I have a lot of thumbnails here which I made before. Okay, so we choose the one that we made, and that was this one, right? Okay, so you see it's already on top of your video. So that is already the thumbnail that we have made. So after you choose the thumbnail that you want to use, you just need to click select. So after selecting, then you need to save it in order to be sure that it's gonna be really used as your thumbnail. I'm so sorry guys for some messages that appear on my screen. Okay, so that's it. Now it's finished. You have added your thumbnail. Now let's try to check, guys. Let's try to check if the thumbnail that we added is already there on your video. Okay, let's check. Let's go to YouTube, right? And let's try to find our channel or my channel, and then find that video which let's find the video which we edited. I mean, in terms of thumbnail. I have a lot of videos here, so let me find it. So where is that? That must be here. Okay, let's try to check where that video is. Okay, can you help me find it? Can you help me find it? Where is it? That's this one, guys. So you see, the video which we edited in terms of thumbnail is there. So the thumbnail is already there, you see? That's it. So that's how I simply make my thumbnails, guys. So I hope this video has been very helpful for you in making your thumbnail. So you see, that is the thumbnail that we made, and it's already on one of my videos. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. And for you, sis Maritus Rich, I hope this is gonna be helpful for you in making your thumbnails. Thank you so much, everyone. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button below to get notifications of my next videos and live streams. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Time to say goodbye.